The clothing that you choose to wear can make a huge difference to how you look. You can either look frumpy and make you look older than you really are, or you can look and feel fabulous regardless of your age. So in this video, I'm going to share 3 style mistakes that you might be making that will be making you look frumpy and older and far from fabulous. If you're new to me, I'm Tracy Gold. I'm a personal stylist and designer, and I've been styling and designing for women just like you for well over 20 years. I have a story to tell you. I went to an event the other day, and a woman said to me, she looked me up and down. We were talking about dressing for your body shape and for your age. I'm 51. And she was like, well, that's kind of easy for you to say, because look at you. Now, I'm not saying that to boast. Far from it. Because what I said to her was that actually I make the choice every day. And she was like, what? What do you mean? Well, let me tell you. The clothes that you choose to wear, regardless of your body shape, can make a huge difference. As an example, here are some examples of clothes that I could wear. Same body shape, exactly same body shape, girlfriend, completely different result. So look at this compared to that. Look at this compared to that. And look at this one compared to that one. Again, same body, different result. So what are the things that you could be doing better? Dressing better for the body shape that you have. And you don't have to get to your goal weight, have a perfect body, if that even exists, or any of these things to look and feel fabulous every day. The number one style mistake that I see time and time again is wearing big, baggy, shapeless clothes. Big, baggy, shapeless clothes don't do you any favors, regardless of your size or your body shape. Again, this is coming from me as a stylist, having worked with hundreds of women for over 20 years. I've never met a woman who doesn't look better in shape. Now, does it mean that it's going to look the same for all of us? Absolutely not, because all of us are unique. So shape may be something really subtle, shaping into your waist a little bit and then flares out in the hem. Or it can mean more of a fitted shape and flare out in the hem. It depends on your body shape and it depends on your confidence level. However, shape is always better. Always. Now, if you want to learn more on how to go from frumpy to fabulous with using your existing wardrobe first, then you want to check out my free downloadable starter kit guide. I'll put the details in the description box below. Style mistake number 2 you could be getting stuck in. And that is wearing black, black, and black, or other boring neutrals. Yes, black can be slimming sometimes. But what I find is that we overcompensate and wear a ton of black to try and cover everything up, or just for ease's sake, when actually color that suits your complexion can make you look 10 years younger. It can lift your entire look. Just the other day, I had a woman here at my studio who wore black all the time. That's all she ever wore. And you know what she was attracted to? The dress that Stella's wearing. I mean, like, by the way, this is Stella, my mannequin, if you have not met her. This is what she was attracted to. And when she put it on, her whole countenance changed. Her whole aura changed. Everything about her lifted and shifted. It was unbelievable, the difference. Like, completely unbelievable, even for me, who's used to seeing these kind of transformations. So wearing color that really works for your complexion, that makes your complexion pop, can take you from looking frumpy and older, because really the wrong color can make you look older, to looking amazing regardless of your age. Now, if you want some tips on how to find your, what I call pop colors, then check out this video over here. I'll put a card above and in the description box below. Style mistake number 3, and that is wearing baggy with baggy. You want to balance your proportions. sometimes volume is a really great thing because it can help you balance your proportions. So as an example, I am crazy about these wide leg flare jeans. I just think they are so phenomenal. They go with everything that I believe in for women. I mean, it just fits nicely in the waist and the hips and then flares out, makes my legs look longer, makes me look and feel slimmer. But if I were to wear these jeans with a long baggy top, can you see how frumpy it looks? It doesn't look good, right? So many times I hear women say, well, why did jeans make me look bigger? Well, they're gonna make you look bigger if you're wearing big baggy items with them. So rather switch out and either restyle the tops that you're wearing or change the top entirely for a more fitted look. The wonderful thing is that when you are balancing your proportions, you can make yourself look slimmer and taller and more fabulous instantly. So the basic rule of thumb is, and I hate talking in rules because I don't really believe in style rules, it just is clothing after all, but if you are wearing something with greater volume on the top, then go slimmer at the bottom. Doesn't necessarily mean tight, but just slimmer lines. If you are wearing volume at the bottom, like with these wide leg jeans, then you want to go more fitted and often, if possible, more tucked in to the actual waistband, which is going to emphasize your waist, make your legs look longer, and completely make you look slimmer instantly. Now, if all of this sounds really exciting to you, you love the idea but have no idea where to start, and you want to just fast track your progress and look and feel fabulous like now, then girlfriend, I do offer one-on-one styling sessions both here in New York and online. So wherever you are, I'll put the details in the description box below. I'll see you in the next video. If I were to tell you that I have a secret trick that can make you look 10 years younger with no needles, no surgery, and it's not even going to cost you a lot of money, would you want to know what it is? Of course you would. Well, in this video, I'm going to share my #1 style trick that I tell my clients so that they can look and feel fabulous regardless of their age. I know what you're thinking. You're standing in anticipation and hoping it's going to be some big thing that I'm going to tell you. And actually, it's pretty simple. Girlfriend, instead of wearing black, 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 and other neutrals, you need to wear color that suits your complexion. I know, it sounds like a no-brainer.